The one metaphor is a forest ecosystem. So you can imagine in a forest, there are large trees, there's small undergrowth, there's plants and animals that use the forest and replenish it at multiple levels of time, as well as scale, as well as material flow. So you have a whole intricate nested system of flows in a forest ecosystem. And one of the key aspects of a forest ecosystem as a metaphor is also the open flux of nutrients that's going on. So no tree, when it dies, makes sure its nutrients go back into that same tree, but rather it's a flux of nutrients that enables the growth and replenishment of multiple organisms in their own growth cycles, right?